Hey guys, welcome today to our presentation about Six Sigma. I'm Manpreet, I did about the history and I'll let you know about that in a short while.
My name's Hamish and I did about applications and examples.
Hey, my name's Xavier and I'll be talking about the methodologies.
Six Sigma is a methodology that can be used to help business processes using statistical analysis. The goal of Six Sigma is to create a defect-free process. To be accredited by Six Sigma, this means company's production line has less than 3.4 defects per million. The concept Six Sigma was first created and named by Bill Smith, who worked for Motorola at the time. He is considered to be the pioneer of this concept. This theory is for getting the highest quality from the lowest cost, thus meaning maximizing your income to generate more profit for you and your business. Mr. Smith took a lot of inspiration from theories that already existed, but he modernized them and adapted it for his own needs, which ultimately received Motorola a National Quality Award from Malcolm Baldrige in 1988, which was just over a year after being implemented, which shows you how much of a real success it was. One person Mr. Smith was inspired by was Walter Shewett, who created the control chart theory in 1924. This concept was to see if business processes or manufacturing was in a state of control by representing the statistics on a chart. If the processes on this chart were closer to the center line, the business would be in a state of control.
Six Sigma is a widely used technique with tens of thousands of companies now aiming to gain a certification. The Six Sigma certification is made up of 3 levels: the yellow belt, the green belt, and the black belt. Organizations don't need all 3 levels of Six Sigma to be certified. They just have to select the level which is most appropriate for their career objective. The yellow belt is where organizations are learning the basics of Six Sigma, so it's for those who are leading limited improvement projects. The green belt is for organizations who are starting to implement Six Sigma effectively, so it's for those working on improvement projects. Finally, the black belt is for organizations who have a great understanding of Six Sigma, so it's ideal for team leaders who manage huge improvement projects and have a lot of potential waste to manage. Now, looking at examples of Six Sigma application, there are a lot of companies that use it. However, the people who benefit the most within these organizations are people such as business process managers, team leaders, and supervisors, as these are the individuals who implement the strategies, meaning they utilize the Six Sigma techniques the most. Amazon is one organization that uses Six Sigma techniques. They are part of the Black Belt certification as they aim to select the best employees and devote more of their manpower to customer centers rather than engineering to ensure that customers are receiving the best possible service. Another example of a company that uses Six Sigma is Ford, and through using these techniques, they managed to save $2.2 billion in waste over the last decade, proving that Six Sigma is an extremely and effective tool for organizations.
There were a few disadvantages with the methodology, one of them being for a small organization, they may not afford the Six Sigma black belts, would be hard to apply employees entirely to the project work, considering they have their own self-tasks they would need to complete for the organization. Senior management resources and time would be restricted, which will result in unprioritized and underfunded results with the project. Sigma can be problematic because when doing this research, it tends to help the policies and the Six Sigma methodologies and tend to forget about the approaches and policies they are allowed to do within the company. For example, companies may tend to follow the expensive measures and not the cheaper ones that would benefit them within the organization.
In practice, Six Sigma follows one of 2 sub-methodologies, DMAIC and DMADV. Both the methodologies follow a 5-stage process. The MAIC process looks at defining the problem, the customers, the project requirements, measuring the performance of the current processes, analyzing the processes to find the root cause of variation, improving the processes to eliminate the root causes through innovative solutions, and finally controlling the new processes to stay on track. DMADV takes a different approach. It defines realistic goals that meet customer expectations or the business strategy, measures and identify the customer's critical to quality requirements, and translate them to clear project goals. Analyze multiple options and alternatives for customers along with the estimated total life cycle of the project. Design the process at a high level before moving on to more detailed versions that will become the prototype to identify errors and make modifications. The final stage consists of verifying that the product is approved by both internal and external parties, such as customers and clients. Although both the methodologies seem similar, they are in fact used in different situations. For example, the DMAIC methodology is designed for existing processes or products that aren't meeting customers' needs or performing up to standards. Whereas the DMADV methodology is used when a business needs to develop a product or process that doesn't already exist, or when a product has been optimized but still falls short. Just say something.
Hey guys, back today. Back at Qualiy. Hey guys, welcome to today's presentation.